Members of Youth Empowerment Support System, Meghalaya celebrates the International Youth Day 2022 with the theme Better Today and Best Tomorrow at Usosotham Auditorium, Shillong on August 12th. Shri Prastun Tansong, Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, graced the occasion as the chief guest. Shri Bante Dorlingdo, Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs, was the guest of honor, and Dr. Vijay Kumar, IAS Commissioner and Secretary of Sports and Youth Affairs, was also present on the occasion. While addressing the gathering, Shri Bante Dorlingdo mourned at the slow pace shown by the state government in developing necessary infrastructure. Without proper infrastructure, he said, how do we expect to produce best athletes to compete with other states of the country and in the Olympic, he questioned. Since it is International Youth Day, he urged the youth to avoid drugs because drugs destroy you and the society. Shri Prastun Tansong in his address informed that the government has provided financial assistance in the range of Rs 1 lakh, Rs 70,000 and Rs 50,000 respectively for the youth organizations to start up their own business. He also said that he is happy to tell that about 65% of startups are successful in their own business. This is a very positive result, he said. During the function, checks were distributed to the members of various organizations and sport clubs. Other related items were given to sport persons, entrepreneurs, artists, and other individuals on the occasion.
Government has provided financial assistance in the range of 1 lakh, 70,000 and also 50,000 respectively. After 2 years, we have asked Industries Department to find out those 900 odd numbers who got financial assistance from the Directorate of Industries, whether they're doing well on their own or no. I'm happy to tell you about 65% of them, they are successful on their own business. We started a startup policy from 2020, and this startup policy is also taking off very, very positively. Why government ultimately decided under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister to initiate a number of initiatives through sports and youth affairs department, and also with all related departments. We wanted to make sure that our youth should not feel insecure themselves by saying the moment we completed our education, we are jobless. Therefore, different initiative has been taken by the government. Good investment in youth sectors is also invested. So I would like to request all of you, please grab and take this opportunity provided by the government. Please don't think now about the government job. The census says not less than 60,000 students are graduated annually. 60,000.
Seen the struggle of our youth in our state, so that we need some more youth center in our state. So I don't know whether it'll be coming up or not, but the thing is, my duty is to raise us to ask some more center in our state. So just recently, we had a big program. We have launched this scheme which we are giving to the sports association for the youth who have brought roller of the state, bring medal of the state, name fame of the state, which we have given a good amount for them. And now within 3 weeks, we are coming with this program. And this program, it's clearly mentioned for all the youth club in our state, which the program today is held here in Shillong and Tura.